Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you are new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I am going to compare the Be Supplied and the BFF, both from Jujubee, and I will be packing for all 3 kids, so let's just get right to it. So I'm going to start off with the Be Supplied and then move on to the BFF. I'll try to do this quickly because if you have seen my Be Supplied video, it's packed exactly the same. In the mommy pocket, I have my phone. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. I have some nursing pads, my wallet, a small set piece. This has a little bit of mommy items like lipsticks and mints and things like that. And my keys also fit. They're just by the door right now. In this side pocket, I like to keep my small set piece, and this has 4 Hot Wheels. And then in the pocket that is right in front of it, I have wet ones, Kleenex, and a saline solution spray. In the back pocket, a disposable change pad, a white pouch with water wipes, and an indestructible book. In this pump pocket, I have my daughter's Wubbanub with a cutie clip. This is a pacifier clip by Ryan Rose, 2 water bottles, a coin purse with some lollipops, pouches of applesauce, and 2 other snacks. Okay, so for the inside, I have my nursing cover and a burp rag. These are by Copper Pearl and they are in the Bloom print. So as you can see, I have a large, medium set piece and then 2 other things. I have a swaddle blanket, also by Copper Pearl in the same print, a medium set piece, and this has a wet bag and a newborn onesie, a large set piece. This has 4 size 1 diapers and 2 size 6, a change pad, and this is from my companion backpack by 12 Little. And in the back zippered pocket, I have nail clippers, a flashlight, a nail file, a Kate Spade phone charger, and a coin purse with band-aids, a hairbrush, and hair accessories. And that's everything for the Be Supplied. So I transferred everything into the BFF, and I'll start off on the outside as usual. I have my hand sanitizer. I think I forgot to show this the last time. And then on each side, I have the water bottles, one for my son and one for my daughter. In the tech pocket, I have my phone and also the phone charger. In the mommy pocket, I have the small set piece, and this had all of my little mommy things. In this pocket, I have my wallet. In the sunglass holder, I have the flashlight. And in the zippered pocket, I have the breast pads. In the back pocket, I have the little book and the change pad that does come with this bag. So for the inside, I do feel like this is a little bit more packed. I have my swaddle blanket right on top of everything. Also the little Wubbanub with the passy clip. Okay, in this pocket. Also, you should know that when the bottle's on in here, it's really tight to get into these 2 pockets. I have 2 of the snacks, and on the other side, I have the applesauce. In this clear pocket, I have the little coin purse with all of the hair accessories. And in the other pocket, I have the wet ones and Kleenex. So in this back pocket, I have my white pouch and the disposable change pad. In the other pocket, I have the medium set piece, and this had the wet bag and change of clothes. In this small pocket, I have the saline solution spray. This pocket is empty. And then for the main section, standing up right here, I have the small set piece, and this had the little cars. Right over here, I have the swaddle blanket. And last, I have a large set piece, and this had all of the diapers. Almost forgot this pocket right here. I just have the nail file and the nail clippers. So I honestly think that I prefer the Be Supplied for 3 rather than the BFF. I could be wrong, but I feel like I have a little bit extra room in the Be Supplied, and I like that I have all of my kids' snacks and waters and all of that in the pump pocket, and I don't feel like I have to dig in and remove things to get to other things. Everything is super easy to get to, so I think that I prefer this to Be Supplied to the BFF. That may change a little bit along the way, but as of right now, I am pretty sure I do prefer the Be Supplied. So I do hope that this helped anybody who is researching the Be Supplied and looking for comparisons, or vice versa. So if you like this or found this useful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking the subscribe button. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.